We've used it as a personal recreational ranch. In addition to being a cattle ranch, certainly holds a very special place in our heart.
These vertical openings are about, on average, 15 by 15 and approximately 30 feet deep, and as well as a sinkhole where the surface of the ground dropped approximately 20 feet.
Now that the mines are much more safe and taken care of, we can go and tackle some other projects across the ranch that focus on more environmental matters such as ecology, watershed management, restoration, native rangelands.